Your body is one of the most complex machines ever created. Right now, billions of cells are working together inside you without you even noticing. Your organs constantly communicate, produce energy, filter toxins, digest food, pump blood, and keep you alive every second of every day. But how do these organs actually work? In this video, we'll explore 8 of the most important organs in the human body, explained in the simplest way possible. The brain is the command center of the human body. Everything you think, feel, remember, or imagine starts here. The human brain contains around 86 billion neurons. These neurons communicate through tiny electrical signals at incredible speeds. Your brain controls movement, emotions, breathing, memory, speech, balance, and even your heartbeat. Different parts of the brain have different jobs. The frontal lobe helps with decision-making and personality. The occipital lobe processes vision. The cerebellum controls balance and coordination. Even while sleeping, your brain remains highly active. In fact, the brain uses around 20% of your body's total energy, despite only making up about 2% of your body weight. The heart is a powerful muscular pump located slightly left of the center of your chest. Its job is simple but essential: move blood throughout your entire body. The average heart beats around 100,000 times every day. Blood carries oxygen, nutrients, hormones, and immune cells to tissues and organs. At the same time, it removes waste products like carbon dioxide. Your heart has 4 chambers: 2 upper chambers called atria and 2 lower chambers called ventricles. Special electrical signals control each heartbeat with perfect timing. Your blood vessels are so long that if stretched out, they could circle the earth multiple times. Without the heart continuously pumping blood, organs would stop functioning within minutes. Every breath you take keeps your cells alive. The lungs are responsible for bringing oxygen into the body and removing carbon dioxide. When you inhale, air travels through the nose or mouth, down the trachea, and into the lungs. Inside the lungs are millions of tiny air sacs called alveoli. This is where oxygen enters the bloodstream. At the same time, carbon dioxide leaves the blood and gets exhaled. An average person breathes over 20,000 times every single day. Your lungs also help regulate body temperature and maintain the balance of gases in the blood. The right lung is actually slightly larger than the left because the heart takes up space on the left side of the chest. The liver is one of the busiest organs in the human body. It performs more than 500 different functions. One of its main jobs is filtering toxins from the blood. Everything you eat or drink eventually passes through the liver for processing. The liver also stores vitamins, minerals, and energy in the form of glycogen. It produces bile, a substance that helps digest fats. Another amazing fact about the liver is its ability to regenerate. Even after losing a large portion of itself, the liver can grow back over time. This makes it one of the only organs in the human body capable of major regeneration. Your kidneys are 2 bean-shaped organs located near your lower back. Their main job is filtering waste and extra fluid from the blood. Every single day, your kidneys filter around 50 gallons of blood. They remove toxins and turn them into urine. But kidneys do much more than that. They help regulate blood pressure, balance minerals, control hydration, and support red blood cell production. Inside each kidney are about 1 million tiny filtering units called nephrons. These microscopic structures constantly clean the blood day and night. Even small problems with kidney function can affect the entire body. The stomach is a muscular organ that helps break down food. After you swallow, food travels down the esophagus and enters the stomach. Inside, powerful acids and digestive enzymes begin dissolving food. The acid in your stomach is strong enough to break down many materials. To protect itself, the stomach constantly produces a thick mucus lining. Muscles inside the stomach churn food into a semi-liquid substance called chyme. This process helps prepare nutrients for absorption later in the intestines. The stomach usually takes several hours to fully process a meal. Most digestion actually happens in the intestines, not the stomach. The small intestine is a long tube that can reach over 20 feet in length. Its walls are covered in tiny structures called villi. These villi absorb nutrients from food and transfer them into the bloodstream. Proteins, fats, carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals all enter the body here. The large intestine has a different job. It absorbs water and helps form solid waste before elimination. Your intestines are also home to trillions of bacteria known as the gut microbiome. These bacteria help digestion and may even influence mood and immune function. The pancreas plays a major role in both digestion and blood sugar control. It produces digestive enzymes that help break down fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. But its most famous job involves insulin. Insulin is a hormone that helps cells absorb glucose from the blood for energy. Without enough insulin, blood sugar levels can become dangerously high. This is what happens in diabetes. The pancreas works constantly behind the scenes to maintain stable energy levels throughout the body. No organ works alone. Your organs constantly communicate and depend on each other. The lungs provide oxygen to the blood. The heart pumps that blood throughout the body. The digestive system provides nutrients. The liver processes chemicals. The kidneys remove waste. And the brain coordinates everything. Together, these organs create a highly advanced survival system that works every second of your life. The human body is one of the most incredible systems in nature, and these 8 organs are only a small part of what keeps you alive every day. If you enjoyed learning about human biology in a simple and fascinating way, subscribe to Naturyxon for more science videos every week.